by generation, we are a family of fruit growers. In the pursuit of excellence and quality for more than 20 years, we have planted our seeds in countries like Ecuador and Costa Rica. There, Donatella Fruit proudly emerges, a fruit exporting company that, thanks to our producers, our team, and our customers who unconditionally trust in our work, we reach around the world with quality and flavorful fruit, carefully handling every detail, from planting, harvesting, to exporting. We are passionate and committed to nature, to the farmer, to the environment, and to excellence. We are Donatella, a gift from nature.